Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change font size in a fillable PDF form using PDF XChange Editor. Open your fillable PDF form and I'll change this fillable PDF from text font size, this fillable text box. Also I'll change this default text. Now go form option and select field option and select any field. Click your right mouse cursor and right side button. Here you will find this properties dialog box, and property dialog box, here you will find this font style and this font size are showing auto. Now click on this down arrow and here you will find this custom font size and see this font size now change. Also change this one. Here is auto. I will make it on 8 and see this. In this you can change text font size or fillable text field, and another you can say this name and share name font size. Now go home, select and this is text option, edit, select edit text and see this. Here you can change your text font size, this text font size here, and see this. You can change it 10, 18 and so on. See this name changing. In this way you can change a text font size on fillable PDF form. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.